at Balanillam. This is a protest site in Chennai. Many young women and men have assembled here in solidarity with Cockroach Janata Party members who are protesting in Jantar Mantar in Delhi. These men and women want resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and also ban on NEET exam. When I interacted with the protesters here, some of them have never witnessed any protest. Some of them have never been to a protest site. But this time, they wanted their voice to be heard. They wanted to register their protest. They want resignation of the minister and also the ban against the NEET exam.
நீட் தேர்வு முறைகேடுகளுக்கு நீட் தேர்வை முறியடிக்க மக்கள் இந்த போராட்டம் வெல்லட்டும் 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 வெல்லட்டும்.
Tamil Nadu has long been one of the strongest voices against NEET, and today that opposition found a new expression in solidarity with the ongoing protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. At Chennai's Rajaratnam Stadium and Balan Illam, demonstrators gathered to register their support for the movement led by Cockroach Janata Party.
நீட் தேர்வை முறியடிக்க பாரநில்லம் வாருங்கள்.
The federal spoke to several young people at the protest site, many of them Gen Z, whose presence here pushes back against the idea that this generation shows up for the cause online. It also pushes back against another narrative altogether that Tamil Nadu has stayed silent or uninvolved in this movement.
See, Tamil Nadu has always been stood against to ban NEET. But today we are not even asking that. It is for the students, for the youth that are being, lathi charged in Delhi. So that is not okay. Government has to take accountability. Police are supposed to protect us, but not to, cause violence against us. That is not okay. So I believe youth and students from all over the country has to stand against this. This is not an Delhi protest. It's a nationwide issue that is happening. Problem that is going on. The politicians, it's their responsibility, it's their duty to, face the press. That is not happening. People are sitting behind social media and tweeting about it. I have no idea what is democracy at this point. Democracy is where we have a voice. We are just saying that we all have a voice and please answer us.
The federal also spoke with a protester whose cousin's medical dreams were derailed by the NEET paper leak.
I am here for the solidarity in the protest that happening in the Jantar Mantar, and also for my people like my cousin sister who stopped dreaming about MBBS, stopped dreaming about the doctor. She left her ambition because of this paper leak. She studied for 2 years, sitting inside a room with under that much pressure. And after that exam, when the news came that the paper leak there has been happened and the cancer, there was an exam was cancelled, she was so depressed. We did so much things. Somehow we did some counseling and she's better now. But what if something bad happened? And I am here for all those sisters. There are 20 lives have gone in Tamil Nadu. There are 4 lives were gone. So I am here for all those lives, for all those sisters whose dream was broken because of this failure in education system and the paper leaks and the non-accountability of the education minister and the central government.
It isn't only individual Gen Z voices either. Several student and youth organizations across Chennai have given support behind the Cockroach Janata Party protesters.
In Chennai, we have been protesting for the past 3 days, and we have got a lot of support from the public and the young citizens. We expect more people to come and join us because the cause we fight for, as you mentioned, we've been fighting for this for several years now. So we have been that one step ahead, like the first step to take towards this cause. So I think the people should realize and the youngsters should realize the importance and the tension of this situation and to stand along with us and fight for the situation.
On 20th July, the protest at Jantar Mantar turned violent as Delhi police used lathi charges and tear gas to disperse over 10,000 demonstrators attempting to march towards Parliament. According to police and hospital sources, over 100 security personnel and around 60 protesters were injured, with Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital alone recording 65 medico-legal cases by evening. In the days since, solidarity protests have spread well beyond Delhi and Tamil Nadu to Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh, as the movement against Dharmendra Pradhan and the NEET paper leak continues to grow across the country.